Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you configuration of network interface in Ubuntu Server. So first of all we have to get to the Netplan. So to do this we have to type this. First you have to be in root just like me, of course. Then you can type this. And as you can see, we are in Netplan now. We have to switch this DHPC from true to no. And now we have to add a new address. As you can see, the spaces are very important and you can't miss one space. It just works like this in Ubuntu Netplan. So addresses. And it's done. Now we have to add a new gateway. Oh, too much. Now we have to create our DNS server. So we have to type this and then with 8 spaces this time. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This. And that's all. Now we have to click F3, enter, and F2. And as you can see, we left our updated Netplan. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.